Hello everyone, this is Dr. Prof from the Department of Chemical Engineering. Well, today I'm going to introduce you to one of the core chemical engineering subjects that we have here in Xiamen University, Malaysia. The course code is CME 214 and the full name is Unit Operations of Chemical Engineering 2. As this is Unit Op 2, definitely we have Unit Operation 1. In Unit Operation 1, you will have to study on the operation of distillation column as well as gas absorption or stripping unit. In this Unit Operation 2, you will be introduced to another 5 different unit operations including liquid-liquid extractor, solid-liquid extractor, dryer, filter, and membrane separator. As for today, I have a mini demonstration on liquid-liquid extraction for you.
When we talk about liquid-liquid extraction, obviously there will be 2 liquid involved. However, we have to make sure that the 2 liquid, they are immiscible or at least partially immiscible. Well, one of the very typical example of immiscible liquid-liquid system will be the oil-water mixture. Oil is non-polar while water is polar. That is the reason why they don't mix into each other, and upon settling, the oil layer will stay on top of the water due to the difference of their density. Okay, so when we talk about liquid-liquid extraction, we will look for a system that looks like this. It will separate into 2 layers. Okay, so now imagine you have a sample of contaminated oil. Well, this one is the normal vegetable oil and I have added in some food coloring here. That is the reason why it has turned slightly reddish. So this is the original color and this one is after the contamination. Now, what we are going to do right now is to make use of the concept of liquid-liquid extraction to remove the food dye out from the contaminated oil. The 2 solvents that I'm going to try today, one is the alcohol, okay, and the other one is the water. So I'm going to put in 4 ml of alcohol in one tube and then 4 ml of water into another tube, and we will give it a good shake and let it settle, and we will see what happened after this. Okay, so this is what you will get after 10 minutes of settling. The one on the left hand side is when we make use of alcohol, and the tube on the right hand side is when we make use of water. You can see the difference of the 2. When we make use of alcohol, because alcohol is less dense than oil, it will stay on top of the oil. On the other hand, water being denser, it will stay at the bottom. By looking at the color itself, we will be able to tell right away that alcohol is more efficient than water in the extraction of the food dye out from the contaminated oil. Alright, so that's all for the mini demonstration today. I will see you again in your second year, second sem.